how you feel here in Montenegro?
Great.
What you see, what you like the most here?
Everything. What's not to like? I love the beach, I love the people, I love the food. It's a lot. Beautiful. Beautiful weather year round. Very nice.
Are you first time in Montenegro?
Yes.
You bring here investors in Montenegro.
Yes.
Can you tell me something about more of that?
No, we're just trying to look around to see what business we can do. We're interested in building resorts and movies and music, all kinds of things. Yeah.
Budva night, how like it?
It's very nice.
Nightlife?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not a big nightlife person. I came here to do business.
And tell me when we can see you again here in Montenegro.
I mean, hopefully I'll come a lot.
Here, this year, next year?
I don't know.
Tell me, you bring here investors, you want to bring here and your friends?
Well, yeah, I mean, I don't do everything myself. It's a lot of people that are working together on trying to do special business here.